Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please excuse the wind. It's a blustery cold day, but anyway, this is a Wednesday, middle of the week. I don't typically make videos in the middle of the week, but I've had a little bit of death wobble going on in JJ, and this right here is the culprit. Got my brother-in-law to get in there the other day and move the steering wheel back and forth. That ball joint's got a little bit of play in it. The rest of them look tight. I'm going to replace that one along with the other one. Oh man, I gotta paint that. Anyway, I'm supposed to do a really deep clean on JJ and get him back to the way he was when he was fresh painted. But anyway, I'm going to be changing this tie rod end link today, and also I'm going to be changing the one on the other side too, because I want to change them in pairs. Oh wow. That thing is destroyed itself. All right, that answers the question on how bad it's worn out. Yep. Pretty worn out. The nut's not holding at all because there's so much slop on this end. I'll probably knock it out. Yep. I hope it ain't burnt that knuckle. Look at that. That's not supposed to do that. Up and down. Piece of junk. Alright, so the reason that happened probably so quick, it's been 25,000 miles since I replaced those, maybe a little more. I put cheap parts on it, and guess what, I bought more cheap parts to put on it. So that's what I'm going to be installing now, is cheap parts. Okay, so I got my O-ring here. I can see where the threads was up in this piece. I've marked my new one accordingly. I'm just going to run it up in there. I've got 2 threads marked. I'm just going to put it as close as I can right between those 2 threads. Well guys, I know that was a short video, but that's gonna be a wrap on it. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm doing during the week this week. JJ had a parts failure, and it's been going on for, I don't know, a couple of months, and it's finally just got really bad, as you could tell. So when it starts moving, it wears itself out really fast. So anyway, got that fixed. I still got to do the other side. I got to debate if I'm going to do it tonight. It's getting dark on me. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Y'all come back next time and we'll see what we got going next.